So how can you use the Google app on your iPhone instead of Safari? Let's get started. So if you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So the alternative to Safari is the Google's app called Google Chrome, which is the web browser. Or there is also the general Google app, which has just the G logo. And this is used to generally look something up. But in order to replace Safari, you need to open up the Settings app of your iPhone, go to the Apps section entirely at the bottom, and from the list of apps, locate the Safari browser, right? So you're going to select it like this, get inside, and you need to find the default browser option. You need to tap on it to open it up, and then ensure that Safari is no longer the default browser for you, but instead it's going to be the Google Chrome, right? And now any link that you click on, it's going to open up through the Chrome instead of Safari. Or even if you are using the Google app, like the one with the search, you can look something up or whatever, and it's going to open it up in there. But if you want to browse it fully or something, it will just go to the Google Chrome instead of the Safari, as that is the default browser. But of course, you need to have both apps downloaded onto your iPhone for them to be ready to be used, right? So that kind of just makes sense in and of itself. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later in the future tutorials as well.